Hey everybody, today I want to talk about how you should find a good body shop. So let's start with the basics. First off, let's not look for good, let's look for great. How do you find a great body shop? This video is going to be for the price shoppers. I can tell you, you do not find a great body shop by shopping price. And I want to be really clear here. You don't find a great body shop by shopping price. Now, you might want to shop to make sure that the shop that you think you want to use or that you're going to use is in the ballpark. But I can tell you that if you're out getting a couple estimates and you've got one estimate for $3,000 and one estimate for $2,000, there's an issue. You're not comparing apples to apples. So one of the first things you want to figure out is what's important to you, quality or price. If price is important to you, then go shop, and there's a bunch of shops that will give you a really, really cheap price, much cheaper than what a quality great shop would be, like what we do. And the reason for that is because you're shopping for price, and those less expensive shops are giving you just that, a lower price, and quality and safety is not an issue. So today's lesson on how to find a good body shop is decide what you're looking for. If you're looking for price, then you're not looking for a great body shop. You might not even be looking for a good body shop. You might just be looking for a bad body shop to patch that thing together for the least amount of money. So that's my first tip on how to find a great body shop. Decide what you want in the repairs, because if price is the most important thing to you, it may not be a great body shop you're looking for. You may be looking for a bad body shop just to patch it together. So if you have any questions, remember you can always reach out to us at Louie at sharpautobody.com, or you can call us at 847-526-1343. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.